New battle is brewing tonight in the Miramonte civil case. The LA Unified School District says it has the right to potentially call out some of the young sex abuse victims as undocumented immigrants. NBC4's John Cadiz-Klimak looked into what that could mean for this case. John.
Here's what we learned today about this. California case law as of 2003 states that if you're going to sue somebody, if you are the plaintiff in this, your immigration status does not matter unless you're asking for monetary damages for future wages. It's supposed to help juries understand what kind of damages could be given to those undocumented immigrants, considering undocumented immigrants may make less than perhaps a legal resident. Plaintiffs for the attorneys, I should say, for the plaintiffs in this case say that LAUSD is making a low blow.
The parents want justice.
Attorney Luis Carrillo, who represents 25 of the 65 Miramonte child abuse victims, says he asked the judge not to include the children's immigration status into the trial. But today, Carrillo showed NBC4 this document, a response from LAUSD attorneys asking the judge to deny that request.
They don't have to bring in this. This is just another smoke screen to stir up the jury against the plaintiffs.
In it, attorneys for LAUSD say if the plaintiffs request monetary damages for future potential earnings, then immigration status is directly relevant.
Which has nothing to do with the merits of the lawsuit. The lawsuit is, why did the school district fall asleep for 30 years, over 30 years, and fail to protect the children?
In a statement, the district tells NBC4 it, quote, has not and does not intend to raise immigration status in the case unless first raised by plaintiffs. When we asked the district about the document its attorneys submitted to the court, the spokesman denied knowing what we were referring to and said their earlier statement still stands. The statement continues to say the attorneys, quote, have an ethical obligation to preserve our right to present a complete story to a jury, protect taxpayer dollars, and safeguard educational resources. We took the document to NBC4 legal analyst Royal Oaks.
The school district is entitled to say, if they want damages for lost wages over decades, we get to tell the jury these kids are undocumented, so they'll make less money.
But in a district that's the second largest in the country with, by its own accounts, 70% of its 600,000 kids are minorities, there's a chance this tactic, while legal, could backfire.
There could be a backlash. The jury could actually get angry at the school district for beating up on molestation victims just because they happen to be undocumented.
And the judge in the Miramonte case could have a decision on whether or not they decide to make the immigration status public at trial as early as Friday. That trial expected to start with jury selection right here at this courthouse on November 4th. Reporting live downtown, I'm John Cadiz-Klimak, NBC4 News.